Welcome back to Zoomer's RV in Wabash, Indiana for our third motorhome for the motorhome for the holidays 2020. This is a used 2019 NeXus RV Maybach 37M. This is a luxury Class A gas motor coach. It only has 2,515 miles on it. It's in great condition. It has a 6.8 liter V10 engine, Ford F53 chassis, 362 horsepower. It has a 5,500 ohms generator. The generator has just 69 hours on it. It has 3 slides and sleeps 6 people. As you can tell, we have exterior TV with speakers and a radio. It has a nice awning here with LED light strip under the awning and nice exterior light. It also notice that there's a nice handle to help us in and out of the coach. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. We're going to start here in the cab area. We have this nice cab over coach. And we also have cabinetry on either side of our TV. I'm sorry, it's a TV in the cab area. We have these seats here, which are in great condition. You'll notice we also have some cup holders over there. Take a look here. We have this nice couch that folds out into a bed. I'm actually going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you. So a lot of the couches just have this like hinge, you hinge it out, which they do work. It's great for sleeping, but you have that crack in the middle. So I'm just going to demonstrate this to you so that you can see what these beds look like. Maybach took a lot of effort to make sure this luxury coach was very comfortable. Also, you can see there are seat belts here, so this provides additional safe seating. But we just fold this down, and this is a very nice solid bed. You can easily fit 2 people here, and just be very comfortable while you're on the road. As you can see, set up and take down is easy. It's not like those old school mattresses where you fold it out, and it takes like 3 minutes to get back in. Motorhomes have really come a long way. Go ahead and put this back here. So we come back and look at the dinette area. We'll also see that there are seat belts here. And then there's this little bar here that you flip. We can take this down and move it up, so you're not fighting with the dinette to make additional sleeping. We have our TV, some storage above the TV, and a nice fireplace. You'll notice this 4-door refrigerator. Lots of space. Everything is very clean, great condition. Just above our head, right here, is the AC in the middle of the coach. This is great because this is the first motorhome all day we've seen that has an oven, if you plan on cooking a lot on the road. It also has a glass cover for a 3-burner cooktop. Nice backsplash here. Frigidaire, the Frigidaire microwave. In my notes here. This is a pull-out faucet. And some nice cutting boards cover a very deep single basin sink here. You can see there's lots of depth in here. So this kitchen is made to entertain, also to give you plenty of flat counter space. Speaking of counter space, we even have an extension right here. That's a good option. Of course, we have storage underneath. Here, this Maybach has the nice wardrobe option. This model also has a bunkhouse, but this motorhome is a couples camper, not a bunkhouse. But as you can see, we have lots of storage in here. A lot of depth, and of course hanging wardrobe in here as well. You'll also notice these nice wardrobe lights. Let's go ahead and come in here. And before we look at the master bedroom, we're going to look at the half bath. Let's go about this coach. It does have a bath and a half. So we have a toilet, sink, and mirrored medicine cabinets over here. You unhook this here and you have a fully private master bedroom. You have a second AC just above the bed. This is a king bed. It is a new mattress. It is also in a slide, so you have plenty of space to walk around the bed. In some models you don't always have that space, but this one does a good job of giving you a lot of comfort and space on the road. Directly across from your bed you have the TV. You have even more hanging wardrobe on either side. You have drawers underneath for storage. Here we go in the full bath. So, not always, but one good sign that there is washer dryer prep is that you have these vents here. So this one does not come with a washer dryer installed, but does have washer dryer prep and plenty of storage here. If you decided not to install a washer dryer, you have even more hanging storage or just extra closet space. It's always good to have those options. And of course we have our stand-up shower and skylight here. Now let's go ahead and make our way outside the coach. I want to talk with Harry, see what he has to say. Hey Harry.
Hello.
You.
I'm Harry from Zoomers RV of Indiana, and I'm the one who does most of the walkthroughs here of these motorhomes. In this case, we look at an A-class, beautiful motorhome. I always kind of talk about what's the difference between A, B, and C-class motorhomes. In this case, you have an A-class, but they're a little bit heavier. If you have a gas, the engine is always most time in the front, and in the rear, if it's a diesel, your engine will lay in the back. Diesels are heavier as the gas units. Diesels are most time a little bit more expensive, but they are more durable too. If you look at the C-class, what we had this morning on the show, the first two, they have a regular truck front, and they are a little bit simpler as the A-class units. So if you are a first-one buyer and you are going to use or to try it out, maybe a C-class would be a little bit easier to understand. If you want more space, you definitely need to go to the A-class because they are higher up and there is more space underneath in your basements and inside. If you go to the B-class, they are more like a fan. It's kind of like a between, and they are a little bit bigger as a regular C-class, but not as big and as heavy as an A-class.
All right, thank you, Harry. I'm going to see you a little bit later today.